Hi guys, welcome to our club. This is our hamburger with the sprouted from lentils
that we made in the last video
of this. Now let's
See?
taste.
Cover.
Let's taste it.
No, Abraham, no cover, no cover yet. Show.
Come on.
Abraham, no te estoy grabando a ti, okay. Explain.
This is very healthy that you could eat it. Remember, you can eat it on the soup, in the salad, or in a hamburger, which is right now that we have right here. Now I want to taste it, please. Let it.
Say something, Isabella.
You can put it lettuce, cheese, or tomato in the hamburger.
¿Cómo se llaman?
And sprouted from lentils. Oh, my cheese falls.
Okay. Okay. Is delicious, Isabella?
Of course.
Is delicious, Abraham? Oh, that is great. Great,
I'm a
great.
Libra.
Is delicious?
I'm a zebra eating hamburger. Don't.
Mommy? Delicious? Sprouts?
Sprouted from lentils.
Oh my goodness.
This is a yummy zebra.
You are a zebra?
Huh.
You're eating? Come. How you say in when you eat meat and herbs?
Oviparos? Oh yeah, it's mine. Look at me.
It's delicious, Isabella, ¿verdad?
Tomato.
Oh my goodness, Isabella. You're eating your sprouts, okay?
Sprouted from lentils.
Okay, sprouts from lentils. Abraham.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Bye. Please subscribe.